Hey guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I want to go over some of the printable coupons that became available this morning. They are completely free and they're on coupons.com. So that's the website I'm on right now. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be announcing the winner of the Nexus hair care products today in my CVS haul video. So if you haven't checked out and entered that giveaway, make sure you do. It's in the unboxing video of the air purifier. So I will have that linked in the description box as well as at the end of the video. There's also a really hot deal going on for Rakuten right now. All the information for that is in my Walgreens Must Do Deals video, where when you spend $30 online, you can get $30 cash back using my code in that video. That will be listed in the description box as well. I was going through some of the other stores they have, and Belk, if you're needing any clothes, they're having a huge sale. I shop at Belk every year on Black Friday, and I get a lot of their shoes because they're really good quality. And obviously Black Friday, they have really hot deals. So right now they have a lot of 50% off if you use code SPRINGITON. That doesn't include clearance, of course, but they have a ton of clearance going on. I put in an order yesterday for Belk as well. So that could be a good way to do the spend 30, get $30 back. They also have a percent back on top of that. So could be a little moneymaker as well. Get some nice clothing if you need to stock up on that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the free printable coupons that are available. So I've already clipped the ones that are amazing. So we have again $2 off of 6 for the Renews It cones, $2 for the Glad trash bags. Really good deal. The best price point I would say would be Dollar General, because if you're buying it with a 5 off of 25 Saturday deal like I did yesterday, I got them for 85 cents each, which is an amazing deal. Regular price, they're $7, and they're on sale. They were on sale last week for $6.50. With the $2 digital that they had, it was a really, really good deal. Renews It, $3 off of 1 for the oil refill or diffuser. We have some more Aveeno coupons if you like Aveeno products. Those are pretty expensive, so any coupons. If you're shopping at CVS, of course, you can use like a lotion CRT or a facial care CRT. We have $1 off 2 for the Renews It. It's still available. Kiwi, $1 off 1. I haven't seen those products in a while. I think those were on sale last week at CVS. I'm not sure. What else? $9 off Body Mark by Bic Tattoo Maker. Never heard of that. There is Flonase, $4.50 off of 1 for 120 count or larger. We have Act, $1 off 1 is a good coupon as well. Covergirl, I figured we would get some of these. They always become printable. We have some digitals as well. So even if you don't buy a newspaper, you can do some great deals this week at CVS. We have $3 off 1 for the Schick women's razors. Preparation H, $2 off 1. We have Colgate mouthwash. This is going on at CVS this week. Get them for 99 cents after extra bucks and using this $1 off 1 coupon. $3 off 2 for the L'Oreal. There is a digital that became available as well, which is awesome. $2 off more of the Kiwi product. $3 off 1 for the Covergirl Eye. $2 off for the L'Oreal Paris Ever shampoo, the purple shampoo. $1 off 1 for the Colgate. There are deals going on at CVS, of course. $2 off 1 for the Covergirl lip. This one I'm the most excited about. $3 off 1 of the Schick disposables. So if you buy one newspaper, use this printable, and use the digital, you can get a really good moneymaker if you have like a shave CRT, anything like that. I will be doing that deal. I have a Schick disposable razor CRT and a shave CRT, so that'll be a nice moneymaker. Allegra, $15 when you spend $75. That's not a coupon that you would print. You would just open it in a new window and it would tell you what to do for that. Okay, so those are all of the printable coupons. I have 15 in my box, And of course, there are plenty more, up to $213 in savings. They do have an app as well where you can submit your receipt and you'll get the cash back for the coupons. They just don't have CVS as one of the stores, unfortunately. And I've reached out to them about it, asking them like if they're going to make CVS the store or what they're doing about that. They just don't have it yet available. But they do have other stores available. They have Dollar General, Publix. They do have Walgreens on the app as well. So if you want to use any of these coupons on the app, I would get that downloaded. They have like $2 Revlon face on the app, which isn't on this for Printable. They have Maybelline on the app, $1 Revlon lip. So they have a couple additional ones that are available. So if you're buying those at Walgreens and you submit your receipt, then you would get your cash back. So that's another option for you as well when you're shopping at Walgreens. So let's check Savings Star. They haven't really had any good rebates back on Savings Star. I'm like really disappointed. And okay, I don't know if Savings Star is maybe like going out of business or something. I don't know, but this is literally all the rebates. So kind of over Savings Star. I've switched over to now obviously Rakuten, and I'm using Shopkick a lot more. I still use Checkout 51, Fetch, and Ibotta. So I would say those are the top 5 that I'm using. I haven't used anything on Savings Star in a while. My balance has been kind of stuck, which stinks because I don't think you can cash out until you're at like $20. So we'll see. Hopefully Savings Star comes back. There used to be some really good deals going on. This one is still a good one. It's available until May, $2 back on Nivea. So if you wait until you're getting a Nivea coupon for the lotion, and if they're doing like a $5 Target gift card rebate going on, then that could be for some really good savings as well. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.